Hi guys, sa lahat po ng mga gustong mag-apply ng beautician dito sa Saudi Arabia, ang pinagbibigay alam ko lang po sa inyo na kailangan po talaga ngayon, requirement po ngayon, ang isang certificate galing ng TESDA or yung pagiging beautician nyo is kailangan po ng NC2 certificate. At kung kayo ay all-around beautician at kung i-declare nyo po ng as a makeup artist, kailangan nyo din po ng certificate from any institution or any training center or school or pagiging makeup artist. And also, kapag nail technician po kayo, ay kailangan po meron kayong in-situ or meron kayong nail technician certificate completion. Ayan. Ganun po ang kailangan ngayon. Marami po akong mga nag-i-inquire na mag-a-apply. Pero as of today or as of now, ang kailangan pong pinaka-importante sa lahat, ex-abroad and first-timer, we need ng in-situ certificate or kung ano mang special na meron ka, like nail technician or makeup artist, you have to have your certificate. Ayan. So, kung saan kayo nagtrabaho na salon, previous work in Philippines or here in Saudi or saan man na bansa na pinanggalingan nyo, kailangan nyo ng employment certificate or working permit or certificate like that. Okay guys, and doon po sa mga gustong mag-apply or gustong mag-abroad first timer, you have to get your passport first before you apply, and then get the NC2 certificate if you can. Okay guys, so 3 days training ng sa TESDA, pwede na kayo magkaroon ng NC2 as a formal or as a beautician or all-around beautician or technician or makeup artist. So yan lang po guys, and thank you so much.